the largest interval lying between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, for which the function f of x is equal to 4 to the power of minus x square plus cos inverse x by 2 minus 1 plus log of cos x is defined. That means for the function is defined in this interval, f of x is defined. Defined means the function is defined. For what values of x the function is defined is called the domain. So that's why we find the domain of the given function. Domain of cos inverse x is minus 1 to plus 1. So minus 1 is less than or equals to x by 2 minus 1 is less than or equals to 1. So that implies minus 1 can taken into this side, 0 is less than or equals to x by 2 is less than or equals to 2. And then 2 is taken into this side, 0 is less than or equals to x is less than or equals to 4. This is the first equation. And log of cos x. Here log of f of x is always greater than 0. So that's why cos x is also greater than 0. For what values it is greater than 0? Minus pi by 2 is less than, x is less than, plus pi by 2. For these values this is greater than 0. So this is 2. From 1 and 2. 0 is less than plus x is less than pi by 2. Where pi by 2 means that is approximately equals to 1.8, 1.85. It is the approximate value of pi by 2. So that's why from these two equations we can write 0 is less than or equals to x is less than pi by 2. So therefore domain of the function or f of x is defined on x belongs to 0 to pi by 2. This is an open interval. Log of 1.6 whole to the power 1 minus x square minus 0.625 whole to the power 6 into 1 plus x. 1 plus x. Where x belongs to 1 is, that means the given function. What is the domain of the given function? Here given one is to find the domain of this function. How to find this value? That the given function is log of 1.6 whole to the power of 1 minus x minus 0.625 whole to the power of 6 into 1 plus x. This is the given function. This is of the form log x. That means x must be greater than 0. So that's why 1.6 whole to the power of 1 minus x square minus 0.625 whole to the power 6 into 1 plus x is greater than 0. So that implies 1.6 means 16 by 10 whole to the power 1 minus x square minus is greater than 625 by 1000 whole to the power 6 into 1 plus x. This is 8 by 5 whole to the power 1 minus x square, that is greater than 25 is 25 by 100. 5 by 40. That means 8 by 5 whole to the power minus 6 into 1 plus x. Comparing these two, here bases are equal, so powers are equated. 1 minus x square is greater than minus 6x. So that implies x square minus 6x minus 7 is less than 10. So that implies x minus 7 into x plus 1 is less than 2. So that implies x belongs to minus 1 comma 7. Therefore, domain of the given function is x belongs to minus 1 comma 7. Given function is f of x is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. This is the given function. Then find its range. Here we know the domain of this function is r minus 2 is the domain of the given function. It is correct. So that's why then we find the range of f. How to find the range of f in this case? In this type of problems, we want to find f inverse. Then find the domain of the f inverse. Domain of f inverse is the range of f of x. So that's why we find f inverse. That let y is equal to f of x. That is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Y is equal to 2 plus x by 2 minus x. Applying cross multiplication, xy is equal to 2 plus x. Now 2y minus 2 is equal to x into 1 plus y. So that implies x is equal to 2 into y minus 1 by 1 plus y. Now f inverse x is equal to 2 into x minus 1 by 1 plus x. Now the domain of f inverse x is r minus of minus 1. This is the range of f of x. Therefore, range of fx is r minus 1. This is the range of the given function. A real function defined on minus 1 comma plus 1. Then the real function g of x is equal to f of 5x plus 4 is defined on of x is a real function defined on minus 1 comma plus 1. Then the real function g of x is equal to f of 5x plus 4 is defined on, that means the domain of g of x is required. Here given f of x lies in between minus 1 to plus 1. So that means given f of x is defined on minus 1 comma plus 1. So that implies minus 1 is less than equals to x is less than equals to 1. So minus 1 multiplying with 5. Minus 5 is less than equals to 5x is less than equals to plus 5. And applying minus, adding 4 on both sides. Minus 1 is less than equals to 5x plus 4 is less than equals to 9. So that implies minus 1 is less than equals to g of x is less than equals to 9. So that implies the real defined the real function defined on closed interval minus 1 to 9. F is mapping 2 comma 3 to R is defined by f of x is equal to x cube plus 3x minus 2. Then the range of f of x contained in the interval. Here we want to find the range of f of x when x lies between 2 to 3. So the range of f of x is set of f of 2 comma f of 3. This is the range of the given function. So closed interval when x is equal to 2 cube plus 3 into 2 minus 2 comma f of 3 means 3 cube plus 3 into 3 minus 2, that is equal to 8 plus 6 minus 3 is 4, 27 plus 9 minus 2 is 7. This is 12 comma 34. This is the range of the given function. We want to find the range of f of x. So here it is of the form a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So the range of the function f of x is equal to a cos x plus b sin x plus c is c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. So here the given function is f of x is equal to 5 cos x minus 12 sin x plus 7. If we comparing these two, where a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 12, c is equal to 7. So range of f of x is equal to c means 7 minus root of 25 plus minus 12 whole square is 144 comma 7 plus root of 25 plus 144. So this is equal to 7 minus 13 comma 7 plus 13. So that is minus 6 comma 20. This is the range of the given function. Here f is mapping R to S is defined by f of x is equal to sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1 is on to, then S is. What is the meaning? F is mapping R to S. R is called domain of the given function and S is called codomain of f, or S is range of the given function. So that's why we want to find the range of the given function. S means range of the given function. Range of the given function is f of x, that is equal to, this is of the form a cos x plus b sin x plus c. C means 1 minus root of a minus root 3 whole square plus b square means 1 square comma 1 plus square root of minus root 3 whole square plus 1 square. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 comma 1 plus 2, that is minus 1 comma 3 is the range of the given function.